Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can store items in your house rather than in your backpack. So you have to be in your house to do this. Go to your backpack and select the one you want to store. For instance, I want to store this. I don't know what this is, but okay. But you're just going to press it and you're going to press store. And it's going to be placed in your storage instead. There is a limit on that too, but yeah, that is it. Hello. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.